Today I'm going to do a video update on my car. Not much has changed really. Key still works as it should, as you can clearly hear. It's a mess back here, I know. What do you think the back seats were? Let's look at the trunk. The real mess. The car's good. It's a good car. Everything works as it should. As you can see, all the lights work. Windows work as it should. Odometer has 134,000 miles on it. Radio works as it should, as you can clearly hear. The heating works. Air, AC, and heating works. Especially this time of year, you need the heat. The glove compartment is the registration in there. Back seat, middle console cup holders, center console update. Still in good, everything's still in good condition in this car. I recommend if you're looking for a cheap, reliable car, I recommend getting one of these. And this is a 2014 Nissan Sentra. If you haven't seen my previous videos already, it's a very good car. It's good, very good on gas. It has EcoBoost. But if you like to go fast, it has sport mode too, traction control. There's the climate controls over here, radio controls. I think that this is for the gas, to open the gas, so you can put gas in the car. Under the hood. It's hard to do this. I'm sorry, it's hard to do this one-handed. The video cut out. Everything works as it should. I guess that concludes this video. If there are any questions, like, subscribe, and I will catch you guys later.
You're the only one who can up and run, leave me just as empty